One of the things that's really important to collectors of tools and to most users of tools is who the smith was who made them. And on a bunch of Facebook groups, you'll regularly see people asking, hey, can you help me identify who made this? And almost always, such posts are met with silence. Now, a couple of reasons for that. One is that the people who are very good at identifying the makers, the smiths of various tools, they get a bit bored at answering that question. And the other thing is, it's an incredibly difficult question to ask, because for the errors that many people are interested in, there were so many blacksmiths. And so there's so many makers, like there's hundreds, thousands of makers, and to be familiar with all the different makers marks as well, beyond me. But I've had a recent success where I've managed to identify one of my kana, and in doing that I want to show you one of the other challenges that makes it so ridiculously hard. Now I'm going to do my best to pronounce the kanji, to pronounce the Japanese. It's Ichibiki or Kami, I think. Well, no, that's it. I'm just not sure how good a job I'm doing of pronouncing it. Contrast the stylized kanji that are on the blade with the kanji as if they were written out, on purpose for someone to read. As you can see, they're just a little different, and that can make it extraordinarily hard to identify the stamped or engraved or chiseled kanji characters that you can see on a blade with a written list of smiths from a particular era or whatever. So I really hope that shows you why it can be so difficult to identify the smiths and identify who made the blades, and the highly recognizable design on that blade made it a lot easier. Which means, I should tell you what Ichibiki or Kami means. It means lone wolf, or it possibly means one lone wolf. I'm not sure of that entirely. But anyway, lone wolf is what I'm going with. And the distinctive design on the blade really helped me identify it. Identifying a blade like that is a lot easier than one with just kanji. But most of the time, you're just not going to be able to do it. Not without a massive amount of work and luck, and possibly even expertise. As in, the ability to read kanji. But even the ability to read kanji might not help you, because we're dealing with stylized designs, not designs that are not calligraphy that's designed to be, read. And unless it's a super famous smith, you got your work cut out for you. So mostly what I do is I try and assess the blade on what it does. Its inherent quality, rather than who made it. But anyway, have fun. And I got a box arriving in another couple of weeks if you're interested in having a look at that. And since I've got essentially like 2 weeks off, 2 weeks without a box arriving, I'm going to try and get some more videos, some more making videos done before it arrives. So enjoy, I'll catch you around.